Hello, beautiful people!
I'm Babes.
I'm Yeye.
Together, we are your BaYe! In today's episode of BaYe TV, we will feature another budget-friendly hotel accommodation that we stayed in.
We will also share with you the amenities you can use when you book a stay here.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's go!
We're here in the heart of Auckland, New Zealand at the Holiday Inn Express Auckland City Centre, one of the best spots to stay if you want to explore the harbour, Sky City Tower, and so much more. We're super excited to show you around our stay here, especially if you're planning your Auckland trip and want to save up with your IHG points. Come on, follow Yeye, let's check out our room. We booked the 2-queen standard bedroom, and guess what? Complimentary breakfast for 3 people is included. Super spacious and perfect for families or friends traveling together. Look at this bathroom, fresh towels, complete set of toiletries, and bath amenities, all ready for you. Here's the open closet with a full-length mirror, flashlight, blow dryer, hangers, flat iron, and ironing board. Super convenient. Two comfy queen beds with soft and firm pillows, clean sheets, and a warm comforter, plus a side study table with a lamp if you need to squeeze in some work. And check out the view. Waking up to this beautiful city is just priceless. Flat screen TV with Chromecast, perfect for Netflix. Plus, there's a small pantry with a kettle, mini fridge, stocked with milk, complimentary coffee, tea, and sweeteners, and a safe. Mom and Dad stayed in the King Standard room, which has all the same great amenities plus a cozy corner sofa perfect for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. Breakfast for 2 is included too. Staying fit while traveling? No problem. The fitness gym is fully equipped, and yes, fresh towels and water fountain included. Need to do some quick laundry? They've got guest coin-operated washers and dryers too. Super handy for long stays. And now, our favorite part, the complimentary breakfast. They've got fresh fruits, pastries, cereals, sausages, bacon, beans, coffee, tea, juices, and more. Nothing beats a hearty breakfast before your Auckland adventures. That's it for today's hotel tour. If you're planning your New Zealand adventure, don't forget to check out Holiday Inn Express Auckland City Centre.
So there you have it. Thank you for watching BaYe TV.
Stay tuned for more travel and accommodation tips and hacks from us.
If this video has made you happy or helped you in any way, do share it with your friends and family who will gain value from it.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in our next vlog.
God bless!